Everybody, in my new YouTube video, I would like to show you how to get free coins on Goodnovel app. So first of all, let's open it up, just click on it. And now at the very bottom, you can find 5 tabs. So let's click on the last one, profile. And of course, on this page, you can buy coins, but you can easily get it for free. And now you need to scroll down a bit and in this list find the earn rewards option. On this page, you can easily get free bonuses. For example, you can just open up the app and every day you'll be able to get free bonuses. For example, for today, I can get 10 bonuses. For the third day, I can get 12 bonuses. And by the way, if you scroll down a bit, here you can find a lot of cool tasks for which you can easily receive bonuses. Just select the necessary task, for example, invite friend, and click on the go button. And now you need to complete a task. In this case, we need to click on the invite button at the very top, copy our link, and send it to our friends. And if your friend will install this application and sign up for Goodnovel, when you'll be able to get these 210 bonuses. By the way, on this page you can see that one wedge is the same amount as one bonus. Well, hope my video was really helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you so much. Goodbye.